Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove emojis from your videos on CapCut PC. So as you can see, I have these emojis here. So where these are, it's basically in text if you've accidentally placed them there, or if you actually want to remove the object from it. It's a little bit hard. I would suggest, for instance, they're all placed here. I'm just going to create a compound clip. I'm just going to copy and paste, and I'm just going to select circle, and I'm just going to place that here. But I'm just going to go back to basic, and I'm just going to place it here, go back to mask, and kind of feather it out to kind of blend it. And as you can see, it's been removed, and you can also do it with this. It's a little bit harder though because the space isn't a lot, but that's basically how you can remove emojis from your videos on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.